Let's set up your new m2.1 standard clamp mount monitor arm from Humanscale. Follow these instructions and refer to your assembly instructions as a step-by-step guide. The m2.1 monitor arm was designed with a counterbalance system to allow fluid movement and ease of use. Before you begin, please make sure your monitor weight matches the specifications in your assembly instructions. First, check that you have all of the parts and hardware. 4 standard VISA bracket screws, 4 extended VISA bracket screws, 4 plastic spacers, 4mm hex key, VISA bracket and cover. The 4mm hex key that you will use during installation can be found under the plastic base cover. In this setup, we will install the most common mounting option, the standard clamp mount. This allows for near universal installation onto any work surface. There are 2 sets of bracket screw holes to accommodate the thickness of your work surface. Use the upper holes for surfaces up to 1.8 inches, 48 millimeters thick, or the lower holes for surfaces up to 2.7 inches, 68 millimeters thick. To attach the mount to your work surface, slide the mount against the work surface edge. Then fully tighten the clamp screws with the 4mm hex key. In each monitor arm connection, there is an adjustable Smart Stop ring that can be positioned to limit the arm's range of motion. You can orient the ring to allow for 90, 180, or 360 degrees of motion. The marked angle will be in the center of the range of motion. Place the base cover back on. Now, let's attach the arm to the base stem. Insert the angled link into the mount until the release button locks in place. Then, insert the top link into the bottom link until the release button locks in place. Now let's attach the VISA bracket to your monitor. Separate the VISA cover from the VISA bracket. Position the VISA bracket over the mounting holes on the back of the monitor with the D-shaped cutouts in a vertical orientation. Attach it using the 4 VISA screws provided. Snap the VISA cover back in place. To attach the monitor to the arm, hold the monitor angled back and lower it into the arm. Fit the hook at the top of the arm into the corresponding cutout in the VISA bracket. Tilt the monitor back upright until the quick release tab on the arm snaps into position. Your monitor should move up and down easily and stay in place once adjusted. If it is difficult to adjust or if it moves without assistance, it is not properly balanced. To balance the arm, press the upper arm link downward until the adjustment screw is visible at the joint. If the arm rises up on its own, the lift force is too high and can be decreased by rotating the adjustment screw counterclockwise with the 4mm hex key. If the arm falls down with the weight of the monitor, the lift force is too low and can be increased by turning the adjustment screw clockwise. The current counterbalance setting can be seen through the counterbalance indicator on top of the upper arm. This information can be used to quickly set multiple arms to the same level without needing the monitors to be installed. Move the monitor arm around to ensure that movement is smooth and the arm functions as desired. If not, repeat the counterbalance steps until the perfect adjustment is found. Now that your monitor arm is properly installed and adjusted, you can use the built-in cable management to provide a clean workspace. First, route power and monitor cables through the flexible cable clips. Slide the plastic cover on the lower link upward to remove. Using the 2 cutouts as guides, run the cables into the lower link. Then slide the cover back on, ensuring that it sits flush against the arm. Slide the cover down the arm to lock in place. Then gently pull the cables through the arm to remove excess slack. Now you're all set. Connect with us or learn about other products at Humanscale.com.